Hello everyone, it's Gigi and I have a haul for you guys. First I wanted to remind everybody I have a giveaway challenge going on right now for my birthday. I would love for y'all to sign up or let me know or get my address. It's really easy, just watch the video. I'd appreciate it. Okay, so first I want to start with Jill Norwood had showed this particular lady's images that you download, and I found that she also had a page on Zazzle, and I went on there and I was just checking things out, and it's called on Zazzle Doodah Days. If you want to find her, I'll link her down in the description box because her work is phenomenal. So what I purchased was a mouse pad. And I think it's so cute. It's called Free Hugs. And it is so adorable. And if you sign up for the first time, you get a discount on top of it. I think it's 20% off is what I got. And then I had picked up this Penguin Love magnet. And I got it for my husband. I think it's so adorable. So I love buying from small businesses, and she really is a true artist, and I love her work, so I plan on buying more stuff from her in the future. Okay, next I went back to Michael's, and I'm not going back after this because holy cow. But let me show you what I found. So I went back because I had passed these up initially, and I went to a different location this time. And I wanted to get these wood beads with the alphabet on them, so you could spell things out or choose initial or whatever. I thought they were really cute, and they were $5. Regularly $10. You get a ton. Okay, so I got that. And then I found at this location another pack of these for $5 for the K. And so I grabbed another one of those, because I'm always going to need blades. And in the clearance section, I found these googly eyes, but they're winking. I thought they were so cute for 75 cents. So I grabbed those. And then I also found this in clearance, this pack for $3. And it has all different kinds of sequins and confetti. And I'm actually going to be using this in a project soon. So I wanted to show that. And then I picked up from the clearance section these feathers. They are so pretty. I got them for $1. And I have a project in mind for these. So they had some other feathers there. So they also have this pack, which is really pretty. This one was $2. And they're so pretty. So again, I have a project in mind for those. And then I picked up some more of the beads and stuff. Oh, I found this. They had this for $2, and I love all things London. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I had to get it. So it's dimensional, and it is super cute by Paper House. So I grabbed one of these for me. Now to the Creatology. That stuff is 70% off. Now, if you don't find it in the aisles, they have it where this location had it where you buy the stuff for like $1.99, those bins, $2.99, $2, all that. And they didn't even have a sign on them. They were just thrown in there. So I think a lot of people don't know that they're even on sale. So I got this rainbow one because I didn't pick this one up before. And I think it was like $1.80. So aren't those cute? So got those. Then I picked up these bracelet kits. Let me see, which ones did I get? I got a few of the mermaid because I love mermaids. So I got 3 of those. But you get 2 charms per pack, and they have a little mermaid tail. And look at these beads, they're so pretty. And these are only $1.20 per kit, and it makes 2 bracelets. Very pretty. So I grabbed a couple of those. And then they had one that was a rainbow and tassel that makes 2 bracelets. And then here are the colors that are in there, and there's the tassel I got. And let's see, here's the rainbow. Isn't that cute? So that was $1.20 also. Then I found another one of these. I told you I had wanted another one of these, and that one location only had one. So I found another one of these. So they're like frosted, and then they have pretty colors on the inside. Really cute. And then I found some seed beads. And these came out to be $1.50. And I found them in this color and in this color. You get a ton. So I grabbed those. And then I was lucky enough to find some more of those lobster claws. So I got 2 more packages since I only had got one. So it comes with gold, silver lobster claws, and gold and silver jump rings for $1.20. Then I found these charms, also $1.20. I think all the rest of it was $1.20. And then I got another one of these, because so cute. And then I found one of these. I got an extra cotton candy because I thought they were so darling, and they're in silver, and I prefer silver over gold. But I'll do either. And then I found only one of these. I was hoping to find more I dug, but this was the only one in there. But so I'm happy to at least have this one. Okay. And then I purchased this for 70% off. When I work for my companies that I'm working for to do projects, I have to take pictures and send them in. So I like to add stuff in the picture. And so this pick came out to be like, I don't know, 60 cents or something. Cute. And then I got one of these because I'm going to be using this in a coming soon to you project. So this is one of those celebrated trim bundles, and this one was one of the pastels, and I just thought this bundle was really pretty. They had another one, but I liked this one a lot better. But so cute. So I grabbed one of those, and I had a 25% off coupon regular price items, so I used it for that. And I also used it, Tina Bean, who's Crafty Bean here on YouTube if you don't know her. She had purchased these to start storing. Let me show you. To start storing each one of these individually in its own container and then labeling them with the color. And this is a fantastic idea because she knew I was trying to come up with ways because I'm doing my daubers also. So she shared that with us, and I thought it was a phenomenal idea. So I grabbed 2 of those. I still need to get one more. And then lastly, at my goals, I've been wanting a cork board for when I get cards in from people. I can put them on my cork board. And this was regularly $34.99, and I got it for like $10, $10.50, something like that. And I can't get it into frame, but you can basically see the color of the wood and the cork. And I'm going to hang it directly over my Copics so that I can see your beautiful work to inspire me and to just cheer me up when I need to be cheered up. And then I did an Amazon haul. I saw a lot of people were getting this on or at Tuesday morning. Well, I couldn't find it. And it's the Glitzy by Jane Davenport. Let me open it. And I really wanted this one. They had other ones at Tuesday Morning also, but I couldn't find any at all. And it's not a bad price on Amazon either, and it was free for Prime. So you get your little chart where you can do your colors, and then they come in pans like this. Really cute. Love it. So I got that. And then I was looking for some felt trim. So I did some searching on Amazon, and I came across this seller. And you get a ton of different colors. As you can see, they just wound them together. You get 30 feet total. Or not 30 feet. Is it 30 feet or 30 yards? 30 yards, I believe. And if you're interested, I can link that for you. I believe I paid $8.99 for this. And that was an amazing deal. And it's 3/8 of an inch. In case you wanted to know that. Okay, let's see. And I'll do another video coming up. Actually, let me show you this. I did a pre-order from the Greeting Farm for their new Miss Anya All Year Kit. And that came in, and it is absolutely adorable. So you get 10 girls. You get the sentiments: have fun, enjoy, my treat, hello, happy wishes to all, and let it spark. That would have been perfect for the 4th. But so cute. And then you get the cat and the dog, some raindrops, a little like passport, some florals. But so cute. I love Anya's. So I had to share that. And that's it, guys. And I'll come back with another one later. Love you guys. Bye.